Hi guys, my name is Leila and this is my video when I'm talking about makeup and getting ready. So for today's video we're gonna be doing a hair curls. I want to show you how to do a really perfect curls on hair straightener. And this is very easy, but I know that for some people this is very hard and they don't know how to do that. But you'll get it. You will know how to do this, I promise you. So yeah, let's go. Okay, first of all, as you can see, I put my hair upwards, half of it upwards, and half of it is here. So I'm going to start here. And what do you do, basically? Basically, you want to take it like this, and then you twist it until the piece of your hair facing downwards, like this, you know? And then once it's like that, you just slowly moving it downwards. Slowly. Okay, as you can see, this is a really pretty curl. Then, next one. I'm taking it, twisting it, and really slowly going downwards. Okay, and the last one, slowly going downwards like this. Now we can move to this side, twisting it, and when your hair facing downwards, your piece of hair, then we're going to move it slowly. Okay, as you can see, the curls are done here. Then I want to do this side. You're taking it, twisting it until your piece of hair facing downwards, and then slowly moving it down. Like this. As you can see, we got the perfect curls. And now what I like to do, I like to brush them so they will look natural. And I like to go with this hair wax. As you can see, we have such a volume here. Okay. Yes, this is the final look. I hope it was useful for you, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.